with people not knowing how to make a left turn. Very often they're swinging right to make a left turn, or they make tangle turns. There's a lot of problems with left turns. So this video is going to be about how to make a proper left turn without causing somebody else to crash. So in the driver's manual, this is what they show. There's the black car and the red car are both making left turns, and they're not interfering with each other. So the green car wants to make a left turn up ahead, and he signals, and at the last minute he swings wide, he swings right. Now there's absolutely no need for a car to swing right to make a left turn, because what he's doing is he's terrorizing this poor yellow car. The yellow car doesn't know what he's doing. He thought he was turning left, and all of a sudden he swings right. So he's interfering with the other lane of traffic. Probably not a good idea. So when you want to turn left, for goodness sakes, turn left. And you turn left. They have a little bit of a turning area here. So if you're over far enough and you're waiting for traffic, people can actually get by you if you're considerate. If you're not considerate, you'll turn way out here again, and this guy, the yellow guy, is going to have to wait. It's too bad. It's really rude, but this is the way some people drive. So when you're making a left turn, you do not do a tangle turn. You have imaginary X in the middle of the intersection, and you turn on the left of the X here. So you go like this, and you carry on with your life and live happily ever after. So that's how you avoid a tangle turn. There is absolutely no need to make tangle turns on intersections.
This guy tried to make a tangle turn, but I did not allow it. The next four drivers are doing correct left turns. Now, if a big truck can make a left turn right up against the curb without swinging right to make his left turn, why in the world would a car have to swing right to make a left turn? So the driver, he turned left. Did anybody see him swinging right to turn left? No. The truck driver turned left from the left side. He did not swing right. So why would a car swing right to make a left turn?
Now, some drivers that are not well trained, they try to do tangle turns. And this is a tangle turn. They go on the right side of the X, and they get all tangled up. They're interfering with each other. If there's somebody else behind them, they're also getting tangled up. And it's one big mess.
Now here's an example of somebody turning left and interfering with traffic behind him. He could have easily moved over, but he didn't. And so somebody had to move into the other lane to get by.
This is the proper way to make a left turn and avoid tangle turns at all costs.